This is a 1997 Dodge with an 8-foot bed and a bulkhead toolbox. But just watch what it can do for you. Not only can you place it at the tailgate and locked in, but it can be placed on the lower tailgate and locked on. And as we say, guys, box can be completely removed from truck. This truck can haul 4 of these at a time. When you know it's going to snow or ice storm, place the box at the tailgate. No walking on icy truck bed. It will give you better traction driving. Guys, this will be a safer access to weapons, tools, equipment, and you guys saves a lot of time with it. And this goes for government agencies, sheriff departments, police departments, homeland security, state troopers, marshal service, secret service, border patrol, ABI, military, army, navy, air force, marines, special forces, and the Coast Guards. And I'm calling all that companies: Delta, Rigid, Champion, Weather Guard, Dodge, Chevy, Ford, GMC, Toyota. And guys, if you guys interested on it, contact Bucky Buckland, 214 West Coolidge Street, Liberal, Kansas, Zip code 67901. Email should be on the posters.